In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on the App Store on iPhone. If you purchased an app, a subscription, an in-app purchase, a movie, a book, or other digital content through Apple and you want your money back, Apple gives you a way to submit a refund request online. The process is straightforward, and in this video, I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do. Start by opening Safari on your iPhone and going to reportaproblem.apple.com. This is Apple's official website for purchase issues and refund requests. Once the page loads, sign in with the Apple account that was used to make the purchase. This part is important because Apple needs to match the request to the correct transaction. If you use a different account, you may not see the item you want refunded. After you sign in, look for the option that says, "I'd like to." Tap that menu, then choose Request a Refund. Apple will then ask you to select a reason for your refund request. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Be as accurate as possible here, since refund requests are reviewed individually. Next, tap Next. You should now see a list of eligible purchases connected to that account. Find the app, subscription, or other item you want refunded and select it. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct purchase, especially if you have multiple similar transactions. Once you've selected the right item, tap Submit to send your request to Apple. After that, your refund request will be under review. To check on it, go back to the Report a Problem website, sign in again, and view the status of your request. Apple usually provides an update within 24 to 48 hours, so if you don't see a result immediately, give it a little time. There are a few important things to keep in mind. First, refunds are reviewed on a case-by-case basis, so approval is not guaranteed. Second, even if your refund is approved, it may still take extra time for the money to show up on your original payment method. That timing can vary depending on your bank or payment provider. Also, if the purchase you're requesting a refund for is a subscription you no longer want, make sure you cancel that subscription separately. Requesting a refund does not automatically stop future billing, so canceling helps prevent additional charges. And that's how to request a refund on the App Store from your iPhone.